What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? In this video, I will be going through my exact BFCM strategy that utilizes micro seeding creators that allowed us to generate an extra 100,000, give or take, during our BFCM push. This strategy starts a little bit before BFCM, so obviously take that into considerations. But multiple variations of this strategy have printed millions organically for the brand over the last few years. And I just kind of want to share how I approach it, literally the exact strategy, just pass it along to you guys. So hopefully it can be beneficial to somebody. But yeah, as you can see, between organic and socials and the other organic source, which both of these are pretty much just Instagram and TikTok organic, we've in this period done about 69,000 on this one and 39,000 on this one, which yields about 100 beans. So it's a pretty cool strat. I'm going to go ahead and just jump in, share it with you guys. Before I do that, though, we're doing a last-minute Q4 mastermind. I'll leave a link down below if you want to learn more, but that's also going to directly tie into what we're going to be talking about today. Beautiful. So first things first, what the fuck does this even mean? How does this strategy work? What you're going to be doing is seeding your product. The kind of first step is seeding your product to as many micro creators as possible. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, what is a micro creator? What does that look like? I'm going to go ahead and just hop over to the Pup Ring Instagram just to show you what a micro creator looks like. So let's just take a look at this doggo over here. This doggo is called Harvey, and Harvey is a pretty sick dog account. You can see Harvey has 4,000 followers, and most of the posts Harvey gets have a good amount of engagement, right? This is what is considered a micro creator. Somebody who's building an account. They don't have they don't have millions of followers and hundreds of thousands of followers, but Harvey is still a very valid creator, makes amazing content, and if we can partner with Harvey to essentially promote our product and to showcase our product in exchange for us literally just sending product for free, guess what? That can bring a positive return. And yes, you're kind of catching on. This strategy orchestrates around taking a bunch of these micro creators and orchestrating a coordinated push for a specific event. You can coordinate these pushes for Black Friday, for Cyber Monday, for holiday gifting, for Valentine's Day. It could be for whatever. It works really well, especially if you have a big lineup of creators that you've already worked with, and you can kind of keep doing this stuff with. So let's talk about kind of what's the first step to doing this. You have to find these creators. How do you find these creators? Super simple. All you're going to do is you're going to go to the search bar, wherever search bar here, and you're going to want to search your niche, right? You're going to want to search, let's just say you're selling a hair product, right? What are the top creators that are promoting this type of stuff? Is it going to be creators that are doing get ready with me's? Probably something along those lines. So literally going and identifying the biggest creators in that niche that you're in, and then going in their comments. Why going in their comments? Because their comments are going to have other creators that don't have millions of followers that are also trying to grow and engage with others. Okay, so super simple, right, to do. So you can go to the search here. I'm in the dog space, so I'm going to be like cute golden retriever puppies, right? I'm going to hit cute golden retriever puppies, and I'm going to go and look at, all right, what is absolutely, I'm not trying to look for like the generic content. I'm trying to look for like, which one is actually a dog account? All right, this one looks like a dog account. Now check this out. In here, you have literally thousands of micro creators that are all, commenting in it. So as you can see, the strategy kind of revolves around going and identifying them through the comments. And then typically you can go to another one, and then you can go to their comments, and you can find more, right? So that's how you actually find them. It's really straightforward. After you find them, what are you going to want to do? Well, after you find them, you're going to want to reach out to them, and you're going to want to, again, reach out to as many as possible. You'll see that step 3 as we keep going down here is going to be to repeat these other steps over and over. But let's go ahead and kind of drag this down and talk about what you want to do to reach out to them, right? So to reach out to these guys, super simple. You go and you say, hey, hey, XYZ, just came across your content, fell in love with it. And then you can say something related to, fell in love with your dog, whatnot. Love how you do your get ready with me's, whatever. Would you be interested in a collaboration with the brand name? With our brand. We make XYZ, and we'd love to send you a product in exchange for a reel and story mention. So literally right off the bat, you're telling them, we ain't giving you money, but we're interested in working together because you can create some cool content and we have a product that could be cool for you to have. Simple as that. It's not like you don't have to overcomplicate it. Yes, a lot of people are going to want money. Yes, there's going to be only a small percentage of people that are actually going to go through with this. But if you can put in a system for outreach and do this consistently, you can actually get a lot of people that would be on board to get product in exchange for posting a piece of content. Let's keep breaking it down. Step 2, when they agree to opt in for this, again, you're going to have some people that are not going to want to, but the ones that do, they're going to be like, yes, this is amazing. I would love to do this. I'd love to partner with you guys. What you're going to want to do is obviously send them product. Easiest way to do this is by cycling in. So creating 2 coupon codes, one coupon for 100% off their order, another coupon for free shipping. And then the one that's 100% off their order, cycling it for every month or every week because these codes get leaked. And we have had this get abused in the past. So just cycle your codes and then every month send a different code or whatever you want to do. Give them 2 codes, one that's going to give them 100% off the order, one that's going to give them then free shipping, allow them to stack it, have them place the order, literally have it get fulfilled organically. You are just sending out cogs for content in return. Putting that in bold, right? You're not actually paying them anything. This is just costing your cogs. And if their post even gets you 1 sale, that's a profitable acquisition for most of us, right? Because we're just sending out cogs in exchange for that sale. What do you send now to get them on board for the BFCM push? Again, these messages are kind of just, I just kind of threw them together. Feel free to actually go more in depth on it. And if you want kind of the full breakdown of this strategy, it is inside of the paid mentorship that I have. If you're interested in that on Ecom Live, you can go to the membership section and go down that rabbit hole if you want kind of all of the exact copies I use and messages I use and whatnot. But this is the just kind of the broad pitch, just so I can pass this along to you guys and you can start executing on it. BFCM pitch, when they're on board, you basically say, awesome, amazing. We're currently trying to coordinate some posts to go up during Black Friday and Cyber Monday period. If you can post between and now give them a nice window. Again, this is why I said that this strategy plays a role over kind of like a window period. Typically, we're like, hey, we're really trying to coordinate a big push between November 27th and December 3rd, as that's when there's a lot of intent in the buying intent that's going around. Yeah, so we basically say if you could post between that period, letting your audience know that we're running a buy one, get one free sale, that would be awesome. So you can just orchestrate right off the bat, you're setting expectations when these people are on board, and you send out product, you have them on board for putting a post during that period. A lot of them are going to be like, awesome, sounds good. Especially if you do this ahead of time, you can coordinate thousands of creators that are going to be able to get lined up and push during this period. And then guess what? During that period, you literally, step 3, rinse and repeat step 1 and step 2. Teddy, no. Rinse and repeat step 1 and 2 until you have an army of micro creators that are ready to push, and then money print or go burr. That's the strat. Again, if you're an e-com operator, you don't want to miss out the this last minute BFCM mastermind that we're doing on October 30th. That's where you can find the link. I'll drop this Notion in case you guys want these. My dog's not going to stop barking, so I'm going to just stop this video now. But hopefully this is beneficial. You guys take it easy. Bye.